I'm saying this with a sore heart. My fellow black South Africans, we really do deserve better. For too long, we've trusted leaders who promised us a better life. Did they? Instead of progress, we've been handed broken systems, empty slogans, and communities that's crumbling while they are growing rich from our pain. Please, people, take note. They always speak of liberation, but they live like kings while our people struggle. They struggle to survive and they ask for loyalty. We must stay loyal to them. But what are they giving us? They're giving us fuck all, man. Besides lies, neglect, and then more greed. No, man. Here's the truth. We are not helpless. We need to get it in our minds. We are not helpless. But we must steep. We must really stop to hand over power to people who constantly failed us just because of the history. I mean, they have a made up slogan banner that they're just recycling it for the next election. Nah, man, every single time. And then they want to point finger elsewhere. We must stop voting out of loyalty. Really, people. Really, for the sake of our children, we need to stop doing that. Okay? Start in your homes. Teach your children also to think critically. Teach them to love themselves and to understand their worth. You know? Look in our communities. You need to organize, support local businesses, clean the streets. Don't wait for the government. You know? Do things that empower our people. And more importantly, create safe places for all our young people. Okay? It's important for us, especially in this modern digital age, to learn new skills. Okay? Learn new skills, share knowledge, mentor a young person. We don't need permission to build a better society. It's in our hands. Stop waiting for the government to create jobs. Let's create opportunities for each other. Support our schools. Hold the principals accountable. Go to parent meetings as a belief. Okay? And demand questions. Yeah, we need to break the silence around incapability, corruption, theft. And it doesn't matter what political party you belong to. It seems to me all of these political parties are the same. You must vote. Yes, it is your responsibility, but we need to do more. We need to take more of this into our own hands. Okay? Please, my fellow black people, we deserve better. Our children deserve better. It's not going to come from politicians. It comes from us. Stop complaining. Let's start rebuilding. Okay? That's my message for you today. I want you to have a good day. Please like, subscribe, put on the notification bell for anything that I might put out in future. Remember, I love you. Let's keep building South Africa together from the inside. Bye bye.